Before watching this video, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to receive more notifications further.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today's video is going to be a special video. So this video was requested by my dearest subscriber, and she wants me to make a detailed video on my brow tutorial. So to be frank guys, I have a medium kind of brow. It is not on the fuller side, it's not on the sparser side. I've decided to make videos on subscribers request. If you have any video request, you can comment down in my comment section. So in near future I will be doing the videos which you guys request me. So the first video on subscriber demand series is brow tutorial. So if you were following me from first, you already know that I'm pretty much happy with the brows I have. I have few minute areas in my brows where I don't have much of brow hair and it is a bit sparse. So I prefer filling in my brows every day, and my brow routine is different for night and daytime. So this is my everyday brow routine. People who know me directly can say that my brows doesn't look filled in, because I love my brows to look a bit natural. I don't like that bold kind of brow which is now called as Instagram brow, and I don't prefer that guys. I prefer my brows to be natural so that my face doesn't look like it is made up of makeup. So as far as my brows are concerned, I take just 5 minutes maximum to fill in my brows. So if you want to know how I do my brows, please keep on watching guys. Before that, please do click on the subscribe button if you haven't clicked till now, so that you don't miss any of the exciting videos I've lined up for you in near future. So let's get into the tutorial guys. So guys, this is how my brow looks without filling. If you come a bit closer, you can see that I have sparse gaps. So what I'm gonna do first is comb all my eyebrow hairs up using a spoolie. A spoolie is something like a mascara brush, like this. So using the spoolie, just brush your hairs upwards. Now if you look closely, you know where to fill. I have sparse gaps over here, underneath, over here. The camera might not pick it up, but these are the places I have a bit of gaps. The eyebrow hair is not dense over there. So that's the place where we need to concentrate more with the eyebrow product. So if I want my eyebrows to be bold, I prefer two eyeshadows, grey and black mixed, so that the brow will look a bit bold. So we need to intensify our brow a bit more so that it will highlight your features better. So at that time I'll use a grey and a black eyeshadow, but for daytime for work, I use a brown and a grey eyeshadow, or a brown and a black eyeshadow. Today I'm going to take the Maybelline Nudes palette, the shade over here which is a black shade, matte black shade, and the shade over here which is a matte brown shade. So this is the shade I'm going to use and fill in my brows. The brush I use to fill in my brow is this angled liner brush. So this is the brush guys. It has a slant end and it is a not so dense. It's very precise kind of brush. It's from Kent. The brush number is 05. Have enough product in my brush, I'll just tap off the excess, and then I start outlining my brows from underneath. Since we have freshly picked the eyeshadow on the brush, the concentration and the pigmentation of the eyeshadow will be more. So we should start from the middle part of the brow and outline your brow. Now using the same brush, try to outline the first half of your brow using the product which is already there in the brush. Do not dip your brush again into the brow product. Now that this is complete, the next step is to fill in your brow hair. So to fill in the brow hair, we are taking a bit of product, tap the excess and then start filling from the middle part towards the tail. With the remaining product, fill the first half. Now when coming to the inner portion of the brow, we just have to use the brush, keep the brush on the base and just flick upwards. We have to use the same spoolie and just brush your hairs. What this does is, it will blend your brow product and makes it look better and natural. Now that the brow is filled, the next step is to lift the brow and make the edges clean. So for that, I'm going to take a highlighting concealer. The concealer is a perfect match from L'Oreal Paris. It's in the shade Golden Beige. Don't directly use a wand and place the concealer near the brows. Just use a good brush like this. Use a dense brush like this, guys. This one is having a slanting angle like this. So I'm going to take a bit of concealer on the denser brush and I'm going to carve out the top part of the brow. This is how the filled in brow look like. This is filled in very naturally, guys. It doesn't look like you have filled your brows. So that's how I fill my brows in the daytime. And this is my normal brow, sparse gaps in between. So after doing this, you have to set your concealed area with a compact. Just look at the difference the filled in brow make, guys. It will give you a proper dimension and it will lift your eye makeup and it looks beautiful. So whereas here if you see, you can see my sparse gaps of the brow. The eye makeup is not getting lifted here. It just looks like my entire makeup is incomplete. So let me complete this brow and be right back, guys. Now that the brows are filled in and carved out, the next step, the final step is to lift your brow up. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to pop in some highlight over the high point of the brow. So I'm going to take my Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petal, defining on a precise brush, something like this, or a flat eyeshadow brush is also fine. It's just that you should have control of the brush and it should be precise. I'm just taking some highlighter and popping it over here. So now you can see the brow is highlighted and it lifts your brow instantly up. Like if you don't have a arch brow or something and you want a lift to your brows, this step will help you that brow lifting. So if you see now, your brow looks a bit more higher than what it was before. So I'm going to do the same over here and lift this brow too. So guys, I hope you loved my video. If you have enjoyed watching my video, give it a thumbs up guys, and don't forget to comment down your video requests down below in the comment section. And if you want to know what all products I have used and if you want to buy any of it, I have linked the products down in the description box along with the link to buy them. You can directly click on them and go and add it to your cart and buy them. Also guys, feel free to follow me on all my social media pages. The link will be down in the description box. Otherwise, you can just type in BlushPout on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. I'll be available there guys. You can follow me there. As far as social media is concerned, I am very much active on Instagram guys. I make daily stories and also I give some skincare DIY tips, and sometimes I post a few makeup looks on my Instagram, so you can follow me there if you're interested in such kind of stuff. If you want to know more, you can follow me on the social media pages. So I think it's time to close the video guys. See you on my next video guys. Till then, please take care. Bye.